Today we're going to be doing some taste testing. So today we have some of the lower end vodkas, and then we have the higher end ones. We have 2 Kirkland vodkas, which in my opinion are pretty good, and then we have Ketel 1, and then we have Goose. Each person's going to get 4 shot cups of a random vodka that they don't know which one it is. Upon their tasting, they're going to be deciding which one they like the best, and they're going to rank them from first place to 4th place. And then they're gonna try guessing which is which at the end. Just going down the aisle, the grocery aisle, which is the vodka that you would lean towards purchasing?
I would normally pick this one just because it's the cheapest one, but I think that Grey Goose probably tastes the best out of any of them.
If I were looking for quality, I would probably go with Ketel 1 vodka as far as a smoother taste.
It all tastes the same to me, so I would go with the cheapest.
Which would be the Kirkland one. $13.99 Costco.
But if it's an open bar.
Okay, time to taste them. Blindfolds, guys. Blindfolds off. Okay, so let's distribute them. So everybody gets 1 number. Okay, so make sure that you guys all have a number, right?
This is the tasting thing. Cheers, guys.
So this is 1.
Alright, we're not drinking the whole thing, right? We're just...
Oh my god. No.
That's not good.
That's not good at all. 2?
Wait, you're going too fast. I'm like, let me think
You have
about
to still fit.
For the record, number 1 is garbage.
Yeah. That one's gotta be.
I think that's going to be Ketel 1.
Can you
Okay,
open this?
so number 2?
Number 2?
Number 2 is the delish.
Cheers.
Close. Vodka's just not good by itself.
No, number 2 has the aftertaste, but initially you're good.
It was a little smoother, I think.
Yeah. This one right now, 2 is leading the
Hold on, you
pack.
guys are going too fast.
No, I want to go back to them.
Savor it a little.
Yeah,
I am.
slow it down.
Number 3.
I think you're going back. Number 3.
Oh man.
Oh.
Rubbing alcohol.
Yeah. That one like
Okay,
burnt
that
my
one's
nose.
that one's like the
Wow.
new.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
one
that's
just,
the new
that one
worst.
just fell right behind
Wait,
1.
why are we all that we don't have the same opinion? Okay. Number 4? No, I already drunk.
Oh, what the?
Actually, I feel like 4 was a little better.
Yeah, I didn't feel like it was that bad.
No, 4 didn't taste like vodka though.
Keep in mind, this is the guy that said that they all taste the same.
Yeah.
Well, apparently they all taste like ass.
Wow.
You know what? I think I like 4 more than 2.
No, I think two is gonna take the cake for me. Unless yeah.
You can go back and taste it.
Yeah.
Damn. I definitely like 4 more
Product
than 2.
placement.
Okay, so just based off of the small testing that you've done,
The initial test.
the initial, but you guys have all tasted them more than once. I think you guys tasted them.
I think.
Which one would be the one that you'd mix with? Or
Mix
is there
all
one?
of them.
Is there one
I would
that
ask
for
for a
sure
mix.
is like out?
I think for me, hands down, 3, whatever that one was, is the worst one.
Really?
Yeah.
It was 3 and 1 for me that were pretty bad. If I were to mix, I feel like 2 might be a better one to mix. It feels like a little smoother and like
Yeah.
sweeter almost.
2.
I think 4 is my favorite, but I'm between. I guess it's 1 and 2 to like see like between those 2, which one I like.
Like I wouldn't say 4 is bad, but I just don't like the taste. It's got a
Okay.
really weird
Really?
taste.
So it's more just like personal
Yeah.
preference.
It has like this very earthy feeling. 4 is like comes from the earth. I'm gonna go with 4 is Grey Goose.
Like they squeezed it off a tree?
Yeah,
Potato?
yeah, I'm gonna go with 4 as Grey Goose because it just sounds like it came out of those mountains right there in that picture.
Okay.
But you know that they say this Kirkland is exactly the same as Grey Goose.
These are definitely not
So
the
are
same.
there
I
two
take
in there
back.
that are exactly the same to you?
Yeah, you know
One
what?
and three
One
were
and two.
ass.
1 and 2. I to me they were very
I
similar.
concur with the 1 and the 2. They are. Those might be the 2 similar ones then. 1 and 2 are very close.
Yeah, 4 is definitely smooth. Whatever 4 is, it's pretty smooth. Like Sammy says, it does have like some flavor to it, but it doesn't have that burn. It doesn't have that rubbing alcohol burn.
Yeah, I have it last because I don't like that.
No, because he has a last because of the taste to it.
Uh-huh.
But and I agree, it has a little bit of like it tastes a little different than rubbing alcohol. But it's almost like rubbing alcohol with like a little bit of.
It has a nice burn to it.
Mary J.
No, but it's smooth though. It to me it's smooth. You don't get that burn.
You put that on your bones.
Do you have yours in making order yet, or?
Okay, so my favorite,
God,
number
you really-
2,
You really like number 1.
4, second, number 1, third, and number 3 was last. No.
Okay. Yours?
And so I thought number 4 was the smoothest, even though it does have a little bit of a distinct, a different flavor to it than compared to all the other ones, but it was the smoothest. 1 and 2 were very similar, and I had to take a lot of sips back and forth to narrow it down, but ultimately I think 1 was a little bit just by slightly better than 2, and then 3 was actually pretty bad.
I think you had 3 last too, right?
Yeah.
So far, 3 is the worst one with
Yeah,
them.
for
Hands
Okay.
down.
Yeah, I have 3 as my second to last, but I'm keeping it 2, 1, 3, 4.
So 2 is the best.
That's
One.
my best too.
2 and 1, I think they're very similar to each other. So this might be the Grey Goose and Kirkland vodka combo. This guy is rubbing alcohol right here. This is bad.
3?
3, whatever 3 is, please don't buy it.
I know, 3 is really bad.
4 is just not my taste, not my cup of tea.
So you rather drink the rubbing alcohol than drink 4?
I would rather mix the rubbing alcohol than 4 because 4 would be a waste. I feel if it is expensive.
So you think that for whatever 4 is the expensive one?
Yeah,
So you think 4 is like good quality, but you just don't like it.
exactly.